Hello, I'm Dr. John W. Mitchell, IPC President and CEO. I'm happy to announce that I will be attending the second annual Integrated Electronics Manufacturing and Interconnections events in Chennai on August 1st and Pune on August 3rd. IEMI was designed as an annual platform for industry leaders and professionals in the electronics manufacturing industry to connect, communicate, collaborate, and create. The event will bring together designers, manufacturers, traders, suppliers, service providers, and technical experts to explore new business partnerships, gain technical knowledge, and source product and services. Program activities in Chennai and Pune will include a welcome address from state ministers, keynote addresses from industry leaders and experts, panel discussions, vendor development programs, B2B meetings with country delegates, skills challenge competitions, standards development meetings, an exhibition and networking lunch. IEMI in Chennai will focus on aerospace and defense market sectors, and IEMI in Pune will focus on the EV automotive sector. Poised to become a global manufacturing hub, India is emerging as a dynamic market for our industry and is a major demand generator for contract manufacturing, components, and sub-assemblies. Current opportunities in India are forecasted to expand the Indian electronics manufacturing industry to $300 billion by 2026. Special government policies on electronics manufacturing are driving increasing investment from global OEMs. IPC would like to extend its thanks to the Government of India, various state governments, regional chambers of commerce, and event sponsors and exhibitors who will showcase their products and services. A special thank you to the Association of Electronics Industries of Singapore for arranging an international delegation to IEMI 2023. I'm looking forward to my visit to India, and I'm looking forward to attending IEMI for the second time. I'm excited at the prospect of networking and discussing the state of the global electronics industry and exploring potential market opportunities with CEOs of Indian electronics manufacturing companies visiting IEMI in Chennai and Pune. IPC is eager to show our support for the electronics community in India, a country that embraces the idea that big problems can be solved when trade associations, content providers, academic institutions, local industry, and government collaborate to build electronics better. For more information on events at both locations, please visit www.ipc.org/ipc-india-IEMI. I look forward to seeing you at IEMI 2023.